I'm hungry. I want something to eat. Do you understand what I mean?
Anna doesn't seem very happy at the moment.
I think Mary is Canadian, but I'm not sure.
What do you think of my plan?
I'm thinking about what happened. I often think about it. Nikki is thinking of giving up her job.
Do you see that man over there? This room smells. Let's open a window. I can hear a strange noise. Can you hear it?
You look well today.
Or,
You're looking well today.
how do you feel now?
Or,
How are you feeling now?
I usually feel tired in the morning. I can't understand why he's being so selfish. He isn't usually like that.
He never thinks about other people. He is very selfish. Sarah is very tired.
It's hot today.